Hi, welcome back to Person's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will run through the February 2025 product launch from Xero in relation to invoices. So starting on the dashboard screen, we'll go to Business and Invoices. And we'll click New Invoice. And what you'll notice now is the issue date will automatically be selected as today's date, because that is the date that we are creating the draft invoice. However, what we can do is we can change this date to a future date if needed. And when we choose a client, for example, 24 locks, if there is an issue date allocated against this contact, the due date will automatically populate in this field. As you can see, this one does not have a default due date, therefore we can type it in. What we can now do based on this product launch, we can select a date in the future. We can use the default options already here, so +7 days, in 14 days, or for example, we could say the 1st of the month, the 20th of the month, so that would be the next month in a month's time, and then at the end of the month. They are the defaults that Xero offer for every client. What you could also do is say, actually, I want this due date to be in, I don't know, let's say 18 days time. So what you can do is you can click +18 and then enter. And what that will do is it will populate the date, which is 18 days from now. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.